Welcome to CrawlSpider setup process. Let us review the basics. CrawlSpider is very much a hands-off plugin. Once you set it up, it will keep working in the background. In this demo, we have split the activities into two sections. One-time tasks that we will demo now. And we will review the ongoing tasks after the initial set of activities is complete. In your WordPress site, click on Add New Plugin. Click on Upload Plugin. Once you are here, click on Choose File. Locate the plugin zip file. And then click on Install button. Now you may click on the Activate plugin. Once CrawlSpider plugin is activated, you should see a link to a CrawlSpider link builder in the left panel of your admin screen. Click on this link. As you arrive here, you can see the license message at the top just below the plugin name. Let us add the license details. Navigate to the About section. Enter your registration email address. Enter your license key. And click on a Register License button. You should see the registration successful message in few seconds. This confirms registration was successful. Now hit refresh on your web page. The license message will be gone. Click on the Settings tab. In order to get started, select the WordPress article types such as post, page, product, etc. Post, page, and product come selected by default, but you may choose accordingly. For now, keep all the default settings as they are. Each of the settings is explained thoroughly in our documentation and advanced videos. But to get started, all we need is the article type selection and making sure that the background process flag is turned on. This A List of URLs tab is populated by pulling all the article types that we selected in the settings page. CrawlSpider has a scheduled background process that runs every 5 minutes. So if you decide to close the screen and do other important work, the background process will start working the moment it is active. The background process is based on the WordPress cron job, so it is dependent on the amount of traffic you receive on your website. For the purpose of this demo, we will go ahead and manually trigger the background process. This manual trigger can be used anytime, but it is not necessary. Go to the Settings tab, expand the Manual Skin section, and then click on the Run Manual Skin Now button. Once the crawler is triggered, go to the A List of URLs tab. And then click on the Refresh button. You will notice that each of the URLs are being processed. As the crawler scans each URL, it will collect all the keywords and key phrases including the title tags, H1, H2, and all the links along with their anchor text. You can click on Refresh button to see the crawl progress. Now let us switch to the Anchor Text Report tab. As the crawler is working in the background, it keeps populating the anchor text details. This tab is the complete list of all your links including the From URL page to URL page and the anchor text associated with it. Once the crawler is done scanning and extracting all the keywords, it begins the link discovery process. In this process, it runs a matching algorithm to find the best possible anchor text links for your website. You can keep refreshing this table or come back later to check the progress. In either case, the crawler will send you an email once it is ready for your review. Once you see sufficient link suggestions, you can start reviewing by rejecting or approving. Click on any row, and for multiple rows press Ctrl and select as many rows. You may reject or approval single or multiple rows in one step. In the above step, we are rejecting 2 suggestions by selecting the 2 rows and then clicking on Reject Selected. And then we will approve all remaining suggestions by clicking on Approve All. Approve All does not need any row to be selected. All the approved suggestions will be implemented by the background process. For this demo, we will manually trigger the link insertion process. Go to the Settings, expand the Manual section and click on the Add Matched Links button. All approved suggestions will change the status to added, indicating that the links have been added to the articles. Here is an example of the inserted link looks like. This completes this demo. Please check our advanced tutorials on data visualizations and how to optimize the link suggestions. CrawlSpider Link Builder is extremely powerful and sure to save you time and manual labor. Please feel free to send us any feedback. We are always innovating. Thank you for watching.